There are 3 different variations of front walkovers, starting with two-handed, then one-handed, and with a hip flip finish. Now let's break those movements down. For two-handed, you want to start with one foot prepped in front, put both hands down, and kick one leg over at a time to stand up. For one-handed, it's the same thing, you just take one hand off the floor. And for the last one, you want to do the same thing, the same motion with your feet, except you don't want to put your hands down, and you'll land with one foot popped in front. And this is just a front view